Welcome to week 2 of the Double My Money Challenge. We had an extraordinary week. We are up 26.9% in 1 week. As we can see, portfolio value is sitting at 2,692. Remember, this was 0 when we started. What we did was we actually added to our position on CRISPR and Square to total $14,235. Remember the rules of the challenge. We are using a $10,000 amount with allowing up to $5,000 in margin, which brings our total usage to $15,000. And this is to show how my portfolio performs with a lower amount, starting with $10,000, to inspire other people to potentially invest in trade to double their own money. Not to copy what I do, just to show how it's possible with a $10,000 amount using a little bit of margin to double money within the span of however long it takes to double the money. Now, I will say I did not expect things to go this well this soon, so I wouldn't be surprised if we see some pullbacks, we see some sell-offs, and then continue from there. Just to update you, we are holding CRISPR 50 shares at a cost basis of 159.9. I added to my position to a lower cost basis before it took off about 18% one day and then had a little bit of pullback, but I got over $200 at one point just a few days ago, which is pretty extraordinary. And then on Square, we have 30 shares with a cost basis of 214.5. It's sit at 241 now. We see a 24.3% gain on CRISPR in 1 week, and we see a 12.4% gain on Square in 1 week. I will say the timing was lucky in this sense. I saw a pullback, so I added to these positions, and then I added more just before the run-up. Currently, I don't plan on selling these at all. I will update you in the next week. My current thought process is to actually hold these positions longer. I don't plan on making any changes to the portfolio right now, but we're technically about a quarter of the way there to doubling the money just within a week. All joking aside, I'm not expecting to double the money of this account in a matter of 1 month or 2 months or even 6 months. As you saw in the previous video, the goal internally was to double the money of this account in 1 year. And just by buying stocks, 100% gains in 1 year is absolutely phenomenal. Anyone who complains about 100% gains in 1 year is insane. So we'll take a look at what happens next. I'm just giving an update on this week's challenge. Let me know what you would like to see more of in the comments below. Just a quick review on the rules. Again, $10,000. I'm allowed to use up to $5,000 in margin. So in total, we're allowed to see this negative balance be $15,000 at a maximum. And whenever this balance gets to $10,000, we know that I doubled the money in this account and achieved 100% returns. I'll let you know if I make any changes in the next week's episode. For now, I plan to hold these positions, and we will see where this goes by next week. So thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more weekly updates on the Double My Money Challenge, my portfolio updates, and more stock breakdowns. Give this video a thumbs up if you appreciated it. Let me know if you're following along. Do you own CRISPR? Do you own Square? Do you own Tesla? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.